Hey, what's going on everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Metatrader 4 on your phone. And also, don't forget to hit your thumbs up on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're looking for a great way to learn how to trade Forex, there's a link right down in the description. Feel free to click that and you can join our team. Have a wonderful day. So in this video, we're going to take a look at how to use a demo account on Metatrader 4. So if you download the app Metatrader 4, you'll be able to select here, which says new account, open a demo account. You'll click that. Now, when you have an actual real live trading account from your broker, you'll be able to select log into an existing account. But we're going to do a demo account now. You'll then select this here, and then it would give you some information. All right. Now, I've already actually registered an account for a demo account, and it is actually up here live where you can see that it's running. It says Win with Ryan Meta Demo. So we're going to go ahead and play around with that one. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the far left on the bottom here. I'm on an iPhone, so if your interface is different, I'm sorry about that. But again, to get started, you just click New Account, and then you'll start a free one. We're going to go over here to quotes. So right now, it is the weekend, so the markets are closed. The Forex markets are open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So they are closed on the weekends. But this is what a quote section will look like. Now, this is the advanced setting. You can also click the simple setting, which just shows you the quotes. We're going to click advanced here again. And I want to cover a couple of things here for you. So if you look at Euro USD, that would be the European dollar versus the United States dollar. The GBP versus USD is the Great British Pound versus the USD, etc. All right. But what I want to show you guys is right under there, you can see the word spread, spread, spread under each currency. So that is how the brokers will actually make their money is on the spread. So for example, if you take Euro USD here at the top, it says that 1.16287 is the price for the low side, and 16327 is the price for the high side. The spread is 40. Okay, so you can see the price between 287 and 327 is 40 pips is what that is called. So 40 pips, that is the denomination of money in Forex. A pip is 10 cents, but I just wanted to show you that there. All right, so you can take a look there, and that shows you what the spread is. Now, if you wanted to make a trade on Euro USD and you click here, and you go to trade, you'll see that the red line here at the bottom, right? So if we're looking at the bottom, there's a graph here. There's a blue line and a red line. The red line says 1.16327, and you go down to 1.6287. That is the gap. That is your spread that you can see there, okay? Now, that will come into play when you're making a trade. So if you are selling if you're going into a short or a sell of a currency, if we want to sell the USD, when we click the sell button, our sell will start at this 16327 number. However, it's going to have to gain 40 pips to even out. All right, so you can see that there. Now, the next thing is at the very top, you have minus 0.1, minus 0.01. The current white symbol is 0.03. That is my three, that would be a 0.03 purchase. Okay, you can adjust that down. When you're talking in terms of Forex, most people talk about a 0.01 lot. 0.01 lot, that's what that is. You can go up to a 0.02. You can go up as high as you want and keep on going. Okay, now you'll have to do some research on the pips. I'm not going over the basics of Forex here today. I'm just going over the actual app here. Okay, so now that we're here, if you want to make a trade, you can change the style of trade that you want. So if you click on the actual icon Euro USD here, it's going to pull up any of the different currencies that you have activated. Okay, so if you want to do that. Now, once you select your currency, it'll then pull up this option here for instant execution. You can click that. You can do a buy limit. You can do a sell limit. You can do a buy stop. You can do a sell stop, or like I said, an instant execution. Now, when you're looking here, there's going to be a check mark next to the system that you are. We're going to do instant execution. And then if I wanted to sell this, I would simply literally just click this sell button here. Boom. And now I have a trade, but the market is closed, as you can see. Okay. But if you were in real life and the markets were open, you hit that sell button, boom, your trade would be active at the number that is over on the sell column. Now, if I click the buy button, boom, it would be the your buy, meaning you're hoping that the price goes up of the currency, would be at that number of the 1.16327. Okay, so that's if you're trading Euro USD. That's the pair that you're looking at. Let's say that you want to trade a different pair, and you go to your quotes section down here at the bottom, and these are the different quotes. And oh no, the pair that I want to trade is not here. What you will do is you'll hit the plus sign, and then you'll go under Forex. Now, there's also going to be in your live brokers different options, but this is demo. So in live brokers, you can have like cryptocurrencies and indices, things like that. But we're going to do Forex, and we're going to look for, we want to trade the gold versus the US dollar. So down here at the bottom, as you can see, gold versus USD, gold versus USD check. We're just doing gold versus USD. We're going to hit the plus sign. And now if we go to done, you'll see that the latest, the newest pair that I added from the quotes section or from the plus sign section is now here at the very bottom. The spread is 64. If we want to trade gold, we go here, we click trade. Boom, we can trade it. Now, let's say though, we want to actually see what's going on in the gold market. So this is the gold market, the actual chart here. And in this chart, you can see there's a bunch of green lines. Well, if you zoom in by pulling the screen, just like pinch or pull, and you can see these candlesticks here. All right, the candlesticks are the actual psychology of the marketplace. Now, when you're going through here in the app on Metatrader 4, this is the 15-minute candle. You can see Euro USD in the top left corner, M15. That means minute 15. If I select the big M15 here, it will go to minute 1. We can go to minute 5. We can go to minute 15, and so on. You can go all the way to month. You want to look at the month. If you want to go to 1 day, D1. All right, so these, each candlestick represents a day. And on the right-hand side, you'll see the price. That's how much the actual price of the currency is at that time. And at the bottom, you'll see the dates there, okay, across the dates of the graph as far as that goes. So now this is charts, right? So we went through quotes. This is quotes. This tells you what the actual currency pair costs. It also shows you what the spread is, and that's going to be your quotes. All right. So again, if you want to add another currency, you go up to the plus sign, find the currency you want. And let's say, for example, we want to do the euro versus the Australian dollar. So euro, EUR versus AUD, as you can see here on our charts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth one down, we hit the plus sign, boom. And then we hit done, and now it is down here in our actual area. All right, so we can click chart. So let's go to Euro AUD, click chart, and here's the chart for that one. All right, and then again, if you click trade, this is where you'll go in, and you'll actually be able to execute your trades here as well. You just hit the plus sign. It'll bring you to the trade section here, and you'll be able to make any trades that you possibly want to make. All right. And like I said, you can increase your amount that you want to trade per lot size, decrease by 0.01s or by 0.1. All right. So depending on what you want to do as far as that goes. You can also, if you were to do, after you've decided that you want to make a sell, boom. All right. You just sold your deal here. You can then set a stop loss. A stop loss is exactly that. It's a stop of your losses. So you can see here on the numbers, 1859.98 stop loss would be with a sell or a short, you want the price to go down, right? So you want it to go down in number. So your stop loss needs to be above where you entered your price. So let's say 1860, for example, would be your stop loss. Your take profit is where you think your sell is going to go down to, where you want your money to go down to, okay? So you want your money to go down because we're selling it as far as possible. Let's say you want it to go down to 1800 before you collect your profits. Then you would do that and you would hit sell, and then boom, it would be active, okay? But again, the market is closed, so at this time, that is not going to work. But that's how you use the app. You do your stop losses, you do your take profits. Now, some systems that you are trading on, you may have a system where they are going to tell you there's going to be a take profit 1, take profit 2, and a take profit 3. That's what a lot of people will train you to do when you're learning. So in order to do that, you would hit a plus sign, and then what you would do is if you've got a trade signal for market execution, or you in your own signals believe that's a market execution and you want to get 3 take profits, you will just simply hit sell. It'll go there, it'll start to activate, and then you'll just hit the plus sign again and you'll hit sell, and then you'll hit sell again. Now you'll have 3 orders that are actually trading active, and then what you'll do is under here where it says trade, you'll actually see active trades here, and you'll be able to modify the stop loss and the take profits right there. All right, and then under history, this will show you all of the money that you've either profited or lost, where your balance is. This is the day. You've also got the week. You've also got the month. You can even set a custom date. All right, so again, that's the quotes. So you see how to get quotes. This one has the spreads in there. This is the charts, so you can see the actual charts here, the bar charts, and understand what's going on. You have the trade. That's where you actually make your trades, and you can watch them live, active, going. History is your completed trades, your wins or losses, and that is how you use the Metatrader 4 app. If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. I would be glad to answer any questions that you may have. And best wishes out there for you. I'm so grateful that you actually watched this video. Please go ahead and hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Also, if you are interested in learning how to trade Forex and you would like to learn from an actual educated Forex trader, you can join us. There's a link down below. Just click on the link, how to trade Forex, to get started with our university and get started with us immediately. Have a wonderful day, night, or weekend, whatever you're doing out there. Talk to you later.